I'm very happy to be in Hyderabad and participated in the exhibition. I love Hyderabad people and industries. My product is used in all the machineries. Without my belt, machine cannot run. And I'm keeping the very good stock for all my customers, and I never allow my customer to disappoint. Whenever they visit my office, my warehouse, they are going with the smile only. Major customers mean pharmaceutical, packaging industries, soap factory, or even in your house also. You can use for the grinder machine, washing machine. I started in 84, and this is a span of nearly 37 years, and it is located to Gujarat, Vadodara. Thank you.